So we are at the Holiday Express, Botley, 4 miles approximately to Southampton Cruise Port, for our one night pre-cruise stay. We're in room 2001, so let's go and have a look. We have just arrived. Okay, let's go and take a look. Okay. I mean, the first impression you get, it's a really lovely open space. Nice and modern. Beautiful and clean. And as I say, really excellent feeling of space. We've got the hairdryer on the top shelf. We've got the iron on the bottom, on the middle shelf, and not surprisingly on the bottom we've got an ironing board. So you have got full length mirror. Okay. Let's have a look at the hanging space which we have got there, which is enough. That's plenty, that's fine. Excuse our luggage. Okay, towel underneath there. Little stool. So let's have a look at the room first and we'll finish off in the bathroom. Bed looks great. Looks nice and certainly big enough, that's brilliant. Okay, next to the bed we have got automatic reading light, which is brilliant. Okay, we've got 2 points, USB ports, excellent. Really impressed actually with this room, it's great. So this side we've got the phone. Once again we've got 2 3-pin plugs, we have got USB ports and the reading light. Interesting chair and little desk, that's really good. Let's have a little look out the window. We're actually next to the cricket ground here in Southampton. That's us, that's not a bad little view. Okay. TV, bottom of the bed there, which is great, well positioned. Another 2 3-pin plugs. Don't think we'll struggle to charge our devices. You've got your kettle, and obviously the bin there, of course. So looking back out towards the door, absolutely great. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Another full-length mirror, and the bathroom looks lovely. Looks really, really nice. Okay, nice and modern. Okay, lovely. Nicely tiled. I do like the colours, they're excellent. Looks really good. Frosted glass with a toilet. Okay. Hope it doesn't give anybody a view outside of anything they shouldn't. We've got a shower there, very nice, no shower curtain. We've got the shower door, which is brilliant, looks really good. And toiletries, we've got, that looks lovely, that should do the trick, brilliant. So shampoo and a body wash, etc. Okay, ooh, there we go. So going back out, there we go. So yeah, we've got the air conditioning, nice modern unit, set as always to the lowest, keep us nice and cool. Okay, looks really good. That is going to really do us nicely for tonight. Okay, and we've had this as part of a park and stay package. So this has cost us £182 for 2 weeks parking while we're on our cruise in the Canary Islands. Tonight's stay, tomorrow's breakfast and taxi to and from the port, which I think is a really good deal. So that's going to be really good for us. Very nice. So that is us, and we are going to be set ready for our cruise tomorrow. So after a good night's sleep and a really good breakfast, we're just waiting for the taxi to pick us up and take us to the port. But it's been a really enjoyable stay. So here's to the cruise.